This is Gia. Uh-oh, she spotted me. She just recently, within the last few days, discovered her voice, and she hasn't stopped using it. She's a talker. Hi, Gia. What are you doing? Are you playing? She's playing with her dog, as well as watching the television. Hey, G. What are you doing, cutie? Let's hear a story. It's a good one. She's also trying to stick her hand down her throat. Gia, tell me a story. Gia. Gia. Hey. We haven't learned our name yet. Gia. Gia. Oh, you're playing hard to get? That's good. That's nice. Yeah? That's funny. Can you say goodbye? Gia, can you say bye? Bye-bye. Hello. Over here. Is the television so intriguing? A commercial? Green Mountain Coffee? Alright, say bye-bye. Let me come over there. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Yeah? Bye-bye. Say love you. Okay. Let's go outside. Bye, baby. Bye. Whoa.